How to enable network with a Raspberry Pi emulated on Qemu. I'm trying to emulate a Raspberry Pi on my Ubuntu 13.04. I installed Qemu and it works well except for the network. I followed this procedure. On the virtual machine, the file /etc/network/interface looks like this. I launch Qemu like this: sudo Qemu system arm kernel Qemu CPU arm 1176M 256M versatile app no reboot append root =/dev/sda2.2013-09-25 wheezy raspbian.img kernel Qemu redir TCP column 5022 column 22. On Ubuntu, when I do a ifconfig, I have this result. On the virtual machine, ping 192.168.20.106 works because it is the local address, but ping 192.168.20.1 does not works. I also tried to set a different address for real and virtual machine. What can I do?
It would be nice to see the output of ifconfig on your virtual machine too. According to this URL, with the options you've specified, you should get NAT with a virtual DHCP server, not direct bridging onto your local IP network, so your hard-coded IP addresses probably wouldn't work. Try reboot or use ifdown-tyfup to reconfigure eth0 and see if it finds the virtual DHCP server. Ifconfig and root and should tell you if it worked. You'll have a local IP and a gateway route. Assuming it did work, you should be able to SSH from your host to your VM using, because that port is set up by the redir clause in your command line.